Ew. Okay, so I'm dumb excited to be vlogging. Y'all know I have not vlogged in a minute. Y'all know I do not vlog, and I just got a new vlog camera, so we back vlogging. The only thing with this vlog camera I can say is that there's like no viewfinder, so I don't even know if I'm even in focus or not. I can't even fucking see what I'm doing, but you get it. So today y'all gonna be following me around on a very busy day. Today we are gonna just be getting ready for my vacation. Today you're gonna be running errands with me. You're gonna be going with me to my nail appointment and also packing like my suitcase and things like that. So that's kind of like what we're going to be doing today. Is a very busy day. I have a to-do list, so yeah, so I'm actually trying to get like the hang of this vlog camera. So to be honest, if the lighting and everything like that does not look perfect, like I said, just bear with me because this is a new camera. I don't know any of the settings. I literally just turned it on and bitch, we about to go about our day. Okay, so anyway, what I'm about to do right now, hold on. So it's like 11 in the morning. I do have my coffee. I did make myself some iced coffee just so that way I could like start my day because girl, I also have to feed my turtle. It's a lot to do. I have to get ready. I have to get Autumn ready, but I really quickly want to like touch up my hair. If you guys know, I just recently put like highlights in it. And I'm not gonna lie, they're a little grown out. They look a little ratchet. So I did just go to like the beauty supply store. And I did get like some bleach, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna be like touching it up myself. I got like, hold on, let me show you guys what I got real quick. I got my bowl, my little mixing thing. Why is Autumn's baby bottle right here? I did get some aluminum foils because I'm literally just gonna add probably like a few highlights in the front of my head. Nothing crazy. I did get some gloves, the developer. I got 30 volume, and I also got this little dye brush, which is how I'm gonna be like, you know, doing the highlights. So I'm not gonna like really show you because I'm on a time crunch, but I'll just like check in to show you guys like when they're in process. Really quickly, I also did get like some cheapy little eyelashes because on vacation, you know, you're very bound to lose your eyelashes or leave them in the Airbnb, whatever. So I did get these from iEnvy, and these look so freaking pretty, you guys. I love them. And then I also did get these. So these are cute, and as you guys can see, girl, they're mad cheap, only $2.99. Like bitch, if I lose these, nobody cares. Also did get like some all black face mask. This is actually my boyfriend's, so he got that. I also did get a pack of gold hoops because I literally have no gold hoops and I'm always losing them, so I got like some cheap ones. I also did get some hair ties for my trip because like I said, I'm always losing them as well. And then I also did get 2 sunglasses. I actually got 3 sunglasses. Let me show y'all real quick. First pair of glasses that I got are these. I actually got these from Forever 21. I actually just got the new University Blue Jordan 1s. So these are actually to go with my sneakers. Super cute, and I love the little blue fade. I also did get these black ones. And I like how big these are. These are like my big bougie bitch don't bother me today, it's too early in the morning type of glasses. So I got those, and I really liked the style of those, so I also did kind of like get them in nude. So I got these as well. And you guys, in the beauty supply store, they only had the glasses literally for like 10 bucks. So I was like, yes. So like I said, the blue ones are from H&M, but these 2 are from the beauty supply store. I didn't even get to like try these on to even see what they given. Let me zoom in so that way you guys can see. I look crazy, but these are cute. And you guys know, like, it's so hard for me to find sunglasses because I'm so fucking small and they always like mad big on my face. Hi baby, my nephew came in. I did get like some studs, some cute little studs, and in the beauty supply store they had these literally for only like $3.99. So I got these little cute butterfly ones for Autumn, and then for me I did get like the bigger butterflies. And then I also do have like my second holes of my ears pierced. Does that make sense? But you guys know what I'm talking about. I have 2 ear piercings in my ear, so this is like kind of like for my second one. Hopefully they're not too big because I was trying to find really tiny ones. But yeah, So I did get these 3 earrings, and then last but not least, also from Forever 21, I actually found this bag that I thought was super cute. And what I love about it is that it comes with like the big strap, so you can make it into like a crossbody. So I actually have to transfer all my stuff into this bag because this is the bag that I do plan to take for vacation. I also do plan to take this bag as well that my mother-in-law got me. This one is actually from, let me see where she got this from. I think this is from Rainbows, and she only paid $10.99. And girl, look how freaking cute is this bag. I love this bag so much. But yeah, let me show you guys. It also has like some separation in it, so it's like such a cute bag. Let's start with my hair because now I'm dragging it. So let me go ahead and just put the foils in. I'm literally just going to separate some random pieces in the front, and I'm literally just going to randomly just throw bleach on them and then wrap them in foil. Like I said, I am not trying to do no more than 12 foils in the front. Hold on, this is the better lighting. So yeah, I'm not trying to do no more than 12 foils in the front. So I'll come right back so that way you guys can see what the foils are giving, and hopefully it comes out good, because if not, I'm dead about to dye my hair black. Okay, so I have all my pre-made foils, and I do have like my bleach already made, so I'm like ready to go. I got my gloves on. So yeah, you guys, I also do have my hair kind of like pre-sectioned, so I'm literally just gonna do like 2 foils here and then 3 in the middle. Like I said, I'm going for something super subtle. It's just like literally you can't even see my highlights anymore, so I just want to like revive them. So yeah, being that my camera does not have a viewfinder, I am going to come back when the foils are in my head, so that way you guys can see. I'm nervous. My mom just got Autumn this JoJo Siwa book bag, so that way she could pack her clothes to stay in Grandma's house while I go on vacation. So if anybody is wondering who's staying with Autumn while I'm on vacation, my mom, with her beautiful new hair, is staying with Autumn and little Stagey Stage. You go to Grandma's house, huh, Mama? Alright, so let's hurry up. Girl, what are you doing? What is happening? So cute. Okay, let's see what these are giving. Ooh, okay. Okay, yeah, I gotta wash these out like ASAP. Alright, let me take this out. Oh, a lot has happened. Alright, so I just came out the shower, hence why my hair is wet. And you guys, I like exfoliated, shaved, shampoo, conditioned my hair. I toned it. I put a hair mask. So my shower ran a lot longer than expected, so my nail appointment is literally in like 20 minutes, so I really don't have time to like straighten it. So I'll just do all of that later in my mom's house. But it's time to go get these nails done, and my boyfriend is gonna drive me to my nail appointment. And I kind of have an idea of what I want done to my nails. I want something like really like vacation-y, if you get me. If I'm not looking, like I said, at the cameras, because there's no viewfinder, so I feel like with this camera I don't know where to look. It's so weird. But anyway, you could kind of somewhat see how the highlights came out. Like I said, they're really subtle. Alright, do not mind my boyfriend in the back, but let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. Something super simple. So I got a little H&M tank top on, and then I got like these little army fatigue joggers. So I got these little army fatigue joggers. Obviously, I'm not going in my furry slides. I wish. But yeah, I'm going to put on my Vans. And honestly, as far as my hair, I literally just like sleeked this down. And I'm just going to leave the back curly. I have no makeup on. Just some lip gloss and a little bit of mascara. And we out. And go, because what time is it now? My nail appointment is at 3. And I still need to drive there. And look at the time. Okay, yeah. We got to go. We got to go. I actually just thought of a clutch idea. So I'm like, how am I going to put my camera in my purse without it getting messed up? So I'm actually going to use, this is the Made by Mitchell little mini palette. And all of his palettes come with like little padded pouches. And girl, when I tell you this size and this padding is like perfect for a camera bag. So I'm literally going to put my camera in here and the charger. So I'm hyped because I just found a cute camera bag. If y'all live in New York, it is so hot today. Today's the what? The 8th?
No, 7th.
April 7th. And yo, I'm in a tank top. Like, spring is really here. Oh, my hair is starting to dry. So you can probably see them a little bit. Who you think you're cute?
I need to get fucking earrings, babe.
You do need earrings. Oh, I didn't even put my earrings in either.
You do have them on.
No, but the new ones that I bought. The butterfly ones. Babe, you got mad hair on you.
It's fucking sage.
I can put this in the vlog now because weed is legal in New York, bitches. Nah, the footage looks fucking good.
Right?
Look at this.
I got a good camera.
Look at me and think that I'm just a young girl, but I'm not. Ooh, eats. I get pickles on mine because I'm lit. You're not lit unless you get pickles on your chicken sandwich. What you get? The Whopper? Big ass Whopper. Alright.
I got that whap.
No. Okay. So we just got to the nail tech. The little baby back there. Alright, so these are the bare nails. My girl's set up over here. Look at this. Ooh, girl. So this is the before. I'm naked right now. So the theme we're doing is kind of like vacation nails, bright yellow. I've been dying for yellow. Remember the time I came with the purple?
Yes.
I was still with damn yellow.
When you sent me the yellow, I was like, this
here we go again. The fucking yellow. No, and then I remember you showed me that yellow glitter. I was like, nah, we're doing that today.
Yeah.
Right on my pinky.
Yeah.
Yep. Y'all I'm dying for that glitter. And that shit got like orange in it too. Fire.
Yep. This is gonna be dope.
And I seen you did 3D flowers on somebody. So I was like, oh, she want to be showing out. She want to be showing out. Okay. I want 3D flowers now.
Oh my god. Okay. This will be my second attempt of doing 3D.
Wow, you did not good. So yeah, so I'm gonna come back on camera when we kind of like have her shape did, because that's her perfection right here. This is why I would literally, what is this, her 3rd different location now? I'm glad I follow you too.
Yeah.
Because it's her shape for me, like for real. So I don't know if y'all follow me on Instagram, but those money nails, that was Jennifer. The Get Ready With Me. This is her right here, is the star, okay, from the money nails. And then the Winter Wonderland last year birthday nails, fire, killed that. That's when we actually met and got together. And then we've been married since.
Yeah.
I've been cheating lately, so she's mad at me. So I gotta go. I got explaining to do. So this is what we got so far.
Trying to get money.
Ooh. The butterflies. That glitter though. Jennifer in her prime right now.
My
She's
habitat.
like chill. Take my master class. Oh, by the way, if you ladies are interested, my girl's about to start her master classes soon. So yes. When she starts her master classes, don't worry because I will definitely be promoting it on my story. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram.
Oh.
It's gonna be cute. She's freestyling right now.
Don't revive me. He's back there. Don't
And this
revive
is like our little inspo photo.
Behind you.
A lot of girls probably could relate to.
That this right here, where the work from home. That's the hustle right there, the real hustle. Yo, the perfection though. Let's really talk about it though.
I haven't filed it yet.
Look at that C curve. Like, y'all really not fucking with my nail tech. She was just mad, guys. Like, fly. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. Vlogging is so hard because I'm like literally catching not all the good moments. Because this one over there had me crying, asking for help with damn diaper.
What a diaper.
Alright, let's it up.
I gotta get the angles. So I'm so freaking short. I'm gonna try that. There we go.
Drop money.
I don't wanna like get in your way.
It's okay. You know nothing gets in my way.
What is happening here? Got you on the vlog, you know. And then the cat like. Said put me out.
He's like this back up.
Montana. Damn, mommy. Who y'all seen these motherfucking nails though?
The salons ain't it.
Huh?
The
The
salon-
salons is not it. Like y'all not fucking with my nail touch. Like, come on. Like, come on.
Period.
I love it here. Look at the papa. You like my nails? Wow. Little baby ankle socks, you guys. Like, I'm done. Yo, these freaking nails though. Nah, on my camera though, they look fire. They look fire. I'm so hyped. We in full effect now. Oh, babe's here. Lily. Alright, Jen, I'm out of here. Nails deep. Alright, so this is where we at. You guys, the lighting looked terrible. I deadass had to grab my whole ring light. But anyways, so we are in the packing process. So I got my suitcase. I got all the sneakers that I'm willing to take. Oh, I got the university. I'm so excited. I also did cop these, what are these? Like little Pumas. These are cute. Babe got them too. So we got some matching sneakers or whatever. And you guys, so yeah, this is all of my brand new clothes. Like, bro, I kind of overdid it. I have literally like all my Fashion Nova shit. All right, so I'm gonna put some cute ass fits together really quickly, and then we're gonna jump into packing like the makeup and stuff. Let me get ball, Sage. Ball, ball, give ball, give me ball. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Winter. All right, you guys. So I was crunched. Alright, so I was crunched for time, so I had to like hurry up and rush and pack. I got to my mom's house. I did my hair really quickly, and I just ate some food. You guys say hi to Winter. Winter's in the bathroom. Hi, Winter. And I have a lot of pets. This is my cat that's in my mom's house, by the way. So yeah, I do have a cat in my mom's house. I want to show you guys how my hair came out though, so that you guys can like see. Lighting is not that great in my mom's bathroom. So yeah, I'm actually gonna just end the vlog here because I'm hella tired. I'm actually about to just watch some TV. I gotta wake up super early because my flight is at 10 a.m. and it's all the way in Jersey, so I need to wake up hella early. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog, this get ready with me for vacation. We got our nails done, we did our hair, we packed. It was a long busy day. I'm also going to be staying the night with Autumn at my mom's house because we're leaving super early. So, yeah. You guys, the hair though. Look at how long is my hair. My hair got mad long. These ugly people. Dad. Ugly as fuck.
Again.
So, yeah, we made the bed. So, I'm going to be crashing. I love my mom's couches because they turn into like a little freaking full-size bed. And then sleep. Autumn and the cat. I mean the cat and the Sage. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Mom is leaving on vacation tomorrow, right, Autumn? Lay down next to my head. You two down.
Yeah. So I'm staying over here for like 4 days. So Sage is actually staying with us. Because always Sage.
You're going to babysit Sage? You're going to go ahead and end this vlog.
Yeah, I'm going to end it.
Yes, because it's time to go to bed, right, Mama?
Yeah, I'm tired. I want to go to sleep.
Alright, guys. So thank you all so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up.
A big thumbs up and start following notifications.
Hit your post notifications. Alright, guys. Bye.
Bye.